Hello student CBSE 10. Today we are going to learn a new poem. This poem name is Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost. First line book CBSE 10. First we take the meaning of title. Dust of snow means particle of ice, particle of snow. Robert Frost was an American writer. He wrote many books, but he was specially famous for his poem. This poem is very small. In this poem, given only 2 stanzas. Each stanza has only 4 lines. But poem is very small, but meaning is very deep. In this stanza, writer's his personal experience. Writer's earlier time was very gloomy, very trace, very depressed, very sad. But one incident completely changed his mind because of, in this first stanza we take it. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Actually what happened, a crow is symbolized as a bad omen, because society thinking about that crow is black and crow is symbolized as a bad omen. As the same a hemlock tree also, because hemlock tree is symbolized as a poisonous tree. A poisonous tree is symbolized for the death. Both the things are very bad for other person, but the life of writers, both the things are very, very happiness. Writer described in this poem, writer standing under a hemlock tree. What happened? Suddenly a crow sat on the hemlock tree and he shook the branches, and some particle of ice fell on writer's body. Writer was very gloomy, writer was very depressed and hopeless. But some particles of snow, his mind was completely changed. Because he was completely unhappy, converted into happiness. Because of a crow and hemlock tree. Both the symbolize a bad omen for other person, but for the writers, both the things are very happiness. Because of this experience, writer describe about that. In this poem only given only 4 lines, but writer described is a very good manner, because a crow and hemlock tree and some particles of ice fell on his body, and his mind was earlier time very depressed, very trace and very sad, but now he converted into happiness because of crow and hemlock tree. This meaning in the first stanza. Hello CBSE 10th standard. Today we are going to learn poem Dust of Snow. Actually the first stanza was done. Our second stanza start now. Stanza second, has given my heart a change of mood and save some part of a day I had rue. Actually, in first stanza, poet Robert Frost described about one hemlock tree. He was standing under a hemlock tree. Suddenly, one crow sat on hemlock tree and he shook the branches, and some ice particle fell on writer's body. Then what happened? The writer's mind was completely changed. Actually, the writer was very nervous. Writer was depressed, but some ice particle changed his mood. So, in this stanza, the writer described about what the situation was happened that time. Has given my heart a change of mood. In this stanza, in the both line, The writer described about that some particle fell on his body and his mood, his heart and his mind, state of mental ability, state of mind power, state of depressedness, nervousness was completely changed. Now writer become happy because of some particle of ice fell on his body and his mind was completely changed. So in this stanza, the second next line, and save some part of a day I had true. In both last two lines, the writer said that his earlier time was very nervous, stressful, and sad, but now he was become happy. He was remain complete day happiness. In earlier time was unhappy, but now this condition, this situation, this incident is very good for him. So in this stanza, the writer given both stanza. In first stanza and second stanza, the writer gives both symbolism, like in rhyme scheme ABCD. Just example: A, B, A, and B. In this rhyming scheme, AB, AB, and in this poem completely, when we study on this poem, then we come to know about that in this poem, one figure of speech is generally, this figure of speech is irony, because in first stanza when we read, when I teach you, that time in first stanza, the first stanza describe about the unhappiness. In the second stanza, the writer express about happiness. So in this poem, first and second stanza describe about irony. So in this lesson, in this poem, the writer has done this thing.